Today our lesson is about nature and its behavior. Also the beauty of it. Nature, in the broadest sense, is equivalent to the natural world, physical world, or material world. Nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world, and also to life in general. It ranges in scale from the subatomic to the cosmic. Nature may refer to living plants and animals, geological processes, weather, and physics, such as matter and energy. The term often refers to the natural environment or wilderness, wild animals, rocks, forest, beaches, and in general areas that have not been substantially altered by humans, or which persist despite human intervention. For example, manufactured objects and human interaction are generally not considered part of nature, unless qualified as, for example, human nature or the whole of nature. This more traditional concept of nature implies a distinction between natural and artificial elements of the earth, with the artificial as that which has been brought into being by a human consciousness or a human mind. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel on how to learn Italian faster and easily. Today I'm happy to talk about some of the basic areas and their individual names. Let's proceed to the lesson. We can start talking about the jungle and its individual objects. I will try to use as many examples as I can. Wild animal. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Animale selvaggio. Animale selvaggio.
Trees. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Alberi. Alberi.
Waterfall. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Cascata. Cascata.
River.
Fiume. Fiume.
Small bushes.
Piccoli cespugli. Piccoli cespugli.
Mushrooms. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Funghi. Funghi.
Birds.
Uccelli. Uccelli.
Butterflies. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Farfalle. Farfalle.
Wild fruits.
Frutti di bosco. Frutti di bosco.
Mountain. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Montagna. Montagna.
Ocean. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Oceano. Oceano.
Insects.
Insetti. Insetti.
Grass.
Erba. Erba.
Rock mountains.
Montagne rocciose. Montagne rocciose.
Sun.
Sole. Sole.
Moon.
Luna. Luna.
Stars.
Stelle. Stelle.
Sky.
Cielo. Cielo.
Earth.
Terra. Terra.
Water.
Acqua. Acqua.
Flowers. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
Fiori. Fiori.
Wind.
Vento. Vento.
Clouds.
Nuvole. Nuvole.
Okay friends, next lesson we are hoping to discuss every part of the vehicle. So stay tuned. We will update the new videos day-to-day life requirements. Thank you for watching, hope today's lesson clear to you. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do like and subscribe. Leave us a comment and click the notification bell, you will be notified as soon as we upload new videos. Let's try some more examples. Thunders.
tuoni, tuoni,
Earthquakes. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
terremoti, terremoti,
Volcano. Now let's pronounce in Italian.
vulcano, vulcano,